How to check statement of account on Axis Bank application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can check Axis Bank statement of account using the Axis More mobile application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the application in a mobile device. Then you have to log in into your account using your username and password. So type in your correct username and password, then tap on sign in. Once you're signed in, now navigate to show all. For that, on the dashboard, tap on the show all option to view all of the available services and scroll through the options and then tap on generate statement. Then you'll be asked to choose account end date range. So select the specific account that you want a statement for. Then choose the start and end dates for the statement period. Once you're done, you'll be asked to again enter your email address. So input the email address where you want the statement to be sent. Then tap on generate button. Now your statement will be sent to the provided email address in the PDF format. So that's the way to check your statement of account on Axis Bank application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.